Go, Kuya Diego. You can do it. The final climb. The final few steps. Yes. 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 Diego can make it. Diego's making it. Yep. There's Diego running, running, running. Yay! He made it! He made it! I'm proud of you! Yes! Oh, how was it?
I didn't see any whales.
Poor Diego, he's so tired. Oh, he can eat a horse. I'm sure. Okay, now let's see the brother. Where's the brother? The brother is there, huffing and puffing. Yes, Rafa is walking, huffing and puffing. Way behind is the dad. Yes, Rafa, go, Rafa, go. Okay, Rafa's taking a break. Rafa's taking a break. The dad can barely walk.
And I just made it.
Yeah, and Diego just made it. The dad is like huffing and puffing and stalling. Hi, Rafa, wave. Rafa, wave. Okay, Rafa's gonna make the last stretch. Rafa's making the last stretch. You can do it. That's my boy. Yep. Rafa's doing it.
I thought I'm your boy also.
You're my boy. You're my boy too.
Oh, Rafa.
Rafa's gonna make it. Yes, yes, yes. He's gonna do it. He's gonna do it. He's gonna do it.
You can do it.
He's gonna do it.
Go.
He can do it.
Daddy, rest for 5 minutes, please.
Okay, okay, okay. Rafa's doing it. Rafa, that's my boy. That's my boy, Rafa. That's my boy, Rafa. Yes, sprint. Yes, sprint. Yes.
Last step.
Yay! Yay! Wait, raise your hands.
Where's mommy?
Your mom is like way down. There's Rafa.
God.
Yes, Rafa. Yay! Raise
Video
your
this,
hands.
I'll show you.
Wait, do your dad. And your mom. Where's your mom? Your mom's there.
Gabby's stalling.
Oh no. Oh no.
This is bad for mommy.
It's bad for your mom.
Oh no, now Gabby's being carried by mom.
Oh, maybe Diego has to go down and get Gabby.
No, never. Oh, daddy's still there.
Oh, daddy has to go down and get Gabby. Oh, poor mom.
You hold this. I'll get Gabby.
Okay, good boy.
Never mind.
No, get Gabby. Come on, help mom. Help your mom. Come on, let Gabby walk.
Hey, Nina Maria, come here. Video this. Look at Rafa's face.
Watch Rafa.
It's so red.
It's so red. Rafa is well exercised today.
He's being mad.
Why are you mad?
Look at my tears.
Why are you crying? Why are you crying?
My legs hurt. Just kidding. What is it?
But
My
Rafa,
heart is beating.
your heart is beating
It's
fast.
supposed to be beating.
Yeah, but it's beating fast. Where's the water?
I can't believe it.
I know.
He's sweating. He's sweating.
Shh. Quiet. Quiet.
It's okay, that's normal.
That's normal.
The Philippines.
It's hot. Now, let's see. I think we have to get Daddy a stretcher. Okay.
Oh wait, why am I smiling? I did a picture. I was like this. I saw them picture. I was like,
You're crazy.
I
Diego's
was
crazy.
smiling for no reason. I thought I was in the picture.
Yeah, you're crazy, Diego. Diego, go down and help your mom.
No!
That's a good boy.
Oh,
Oh, come on, come on, come on. You can do it. You're the athlete in the family. Come on. Go help your mom. Okay, Rafi. Enough of that. Rafi, come on. Let's walk, Rafi. Raf.